Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So a nice continuation with AMC from yesterday's video. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for to have a continuation here. I'm going to go over exactly which indicators we are looking for to have a continuation here. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for these intraday perspective breakouts that we mentioned throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. Now jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on AMC again, we did have a nice continuation from yesterday's video. I'm going to go over GME in the next video if you guys want to see what might happen there. Now, before I jump into this, if you guys are looking for these intraday perspective breakouts, meaning breakouts like we see here on AMC from a major breakout and squeeze that we had previously, we had a major breakout, for example, today with ALLG halted at $13.22, jumping up to $23.91 on the day, over 70% on that breakout. So if you do want to see our breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on AMC, so you guys can see the overall picture. We do have our top end of our major breakout that we had previously, and we are drawing this over to the side here, touching all the tops of our wicks that we had previously. And as you guys can see, we are testing that exact trend line. The very top of our wick that we had today is looking to see if we can break over this trend line to have a continuation. So ultimately, we do need to make sure we can break over this trend line to see if we can continue. And we also do need our 20-day moving average to cross back over our 50-day moving average, our yellow line to cross back over our red to have that continuation, in my opinion. Again, we do need to make sure we can hold over $20 with the body of our candle. We did have a nice break from $20 to $22, but we did not have this continuation because we did not hold the body of our candle above our $20 mark. But again, a very bullish move today. We could have a continuation here. We will keep an eye on exactly which volume we get going into tomorrow. Now, AMC, for the first time in quite a while, is moving against the market. The market did continue on down today, and AMC did not completely lose its momentum today. So it does show us that we still could continue. As you guys can see, we are looking for that increase in buy pressure. We do have some increase in buy pressure, but we need to make sure we can break above our previous buy pressure points to at least get that confirmation on that momentum to have that strong push here. Again, we did have a nice break from $20 to $22 today, but again, we do need that continuation momentum to get that stronger push that I know a lot of people are looking for to have a major squeeze. Now, looking at our Bollinger Bands here, as you guys can see, we are getting tighter here. That does show us that we are going to possibly squeeze either to the upside or the downside here. In my opinion, very much will be predicated on if we can break above this trend line and we can continue on with our body of a candle above our $20 range to have a continuation going into tomorrow or going into this week. This is what we're going to be looking for to have a continuation. Now, again, our Bollinger Band is opening up here. It is showing us that we are going to either squeeze to the upside or squeeze to the downside. This still could get rejected and then come back down and continue on down. So you're going to be careful here with AMC. So we will keep these levels on the watch with AMC, but we also want to keep the market on watch because if we have any major escalations, then the market could continue on down, and we will keep an eye on exactly how AMC reacts against or with the market at that point in time. We could have a major rejection or a major continuation just based on that news itself. So we will keep an eye on exactly what Biden has to say, how the market reacts, and how AMC does react to the market. Again, getting this 20-day moving average to cross back over our 50 would be very key to get that stronger move and continuation. And as you guys can see, we do have our EMA lines that we mentioned yesterday that we're crossing above. We did like that as a possible continuation, breaking over 20 intraday. But as far as a continuation and having that major push, we do need to break above our previous buy pressure points to get that strong momentum to the upside. Now, again, with that said, I couldn't stress enough, if you guys are looking for these intraday perspective breakouts, meaning breakouts within the same day, only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. If you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.